In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove DuckDuckGo search engine. By the end, you'll have switched your default search to another provider, removed DuckDuckGo from your browser's list of search engines, cleared cached data, and restarted your browser so the change is fully applied. First, open your browser. Make sure you're on a regular window, not private or incognito, so your settings are available to change. Next, go to Settings. Click the menu button in the top corner of your browser window and open Settings. If you see a Settings gear icon, click that. Click Search Engine. In the Settings page, locate the Search Engine section. If you don't see it right away, use the Settings search bar at the top and type Search Engine to jump straight to it. Select another search engine such as Google or Bing. Open the default search engine dropdown and choose the provider you want to use from now on. This makes sure your address bar searches stop using DuckDuckGo immediately. Click Manage Search Engines. This opens the full list of search engines saved in your browser, including the default ones and any you've added or that were added automatically. Find DuckDuckGo in the list. You may see it under Default Search Engines or under Other Search Engines. If there's a search box, type Duck to locate it quickly. Click the three dots next to it. This opens the action menu for DuckDuckGo. Click Remove or Delete. Confirm if you're asked. This removes DuckDuckGo from your browser's saved search engines. Don't worry, this only removes it from the list. If you ever need it again, you can add it back later. Clear your browser cache and cookies. From Settings, go to the section for Privacy or History, then open Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Choose a time range that covers when DuckDuckGo was in use. All time is the most thorough. Be aware that clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, which is normal. When you're ready, click Clear Data and wait for it to finish. Restart your browser. Close all browser windows completely, then reopen the browser. This refreshes your settings and ensures DuckDuckGo is fully removed. And your new default search engine is active. At this point, the removal is complete. Your default search engine is set to the provider you chose. DuckDuckGo has been deleted from the managed list, your cache and cookies are cleared, and the browser restart has applied the changes successfully. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.